So you're going for all 4 feet. Let's first of all download the free app for you called TeamViewer. Go to your Play Store and select at the top TeamViewer. Type it in. This will give you an option of apps, but look for a certain app with the QS icon in it. You'll see now. There you go. That's what we're looking for. Now this app allows us to remote onto your tablet, demonstrate to you, help you out with any problems, install, update and all other sorts of things anywhere in the world. Once it's downloaded, you need to open it. Now it's downloaded, go to the icons on your tablet, tap on the quick support, agree, slide your finger across, get rid of some of the screens, and then there'll be a certain other amount of things you've just got to agree with and accept. So first of all, you'll have to go to settings. It'll take you to the Knox license. You've got to agree that. Take you to the settings. Come on to the settings. That's it, good girl. There you go, and you go down to the quick support app and you switch it on. Once it's switched on, we can put files onto your tablet. Now just send me that number. Once I've got the number, we can then remote onto your tablet. You'll have to allow a few things and you've got to give the option to start now, but otherwise it's good to go.